Hello guys, how are you? I hope so you are fine. So today I have bring an interesting video for you. That video is we are going to make a DIY small drawer, mini drawer, and by starting it, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please hit the like button and share. Started. So for making it, we need a matchbox. So let's bring it. 1 and 3, and one more thing we need, that's glue and a colorful chart paper. So first we have to stick this match line on one another. So let's press it. So you can see it has been sticked. So now we have to mark it on this sheet. So for marking it, spread this chart and keep it like this. So as you can see, I have marked it and I have cut it also. So I have left 1 inch space here to pasting. So let's fold it. Which one I have marked, I will fold.